Introduction. Welcome to the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Today, we're going to show you how to make money online without spending a dime. That's right, you heard it correctly, no money down, no hidden fees, and no catch. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting other people's products. You don't need to be an expert in sales or marketing, and you don't need to have any experience in online business. All you need is the willingness to learn and the drive to succeed. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where an advertiser pays a commission to an affiliate for each sale or lead generated by their promotional efforts. In simpler terms, it's like getting paid a referral fee for recommending a product or service to someone who then makes a purchase. For example, let's say you have a blog about healthy living, and you promote a fitness program that offers a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. If one of your readers clicks on your affiliate link and purchases the fitness program, you would earn a commission from that sale. The key to success in affiliate marketing is finding products or services that align with your audience's interests and needs. Why do affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online without having to create your own product. By promoting other people's products, you can earn a commission on every sale that you generate. This means that you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. All you need to do is drive traffic to your affiliate links. One of the biggest benefits of affiliate marketing is the potential for passive income. Once you've created content that promotes your affiliate products, it will continue to generate sales for you even when you're not actively promoting it. This means that you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. Finding affiliate programs. Social media. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter to find potential affiliate partners. Follow relevant accounts, engage with their posts, and reach out to them directly to discuss partnership opportunities. Networking events. Attend industry events and conferences to connect with potential affiliate partners face-to-face. Be prepared to pitch your program and discuss the benefits of partnering with your brand. Online directories. Search for affiliate program directories online, such as ShareASale or Commission Junction. These directories list a variety of affiliate programs and allow you to connect with potential partners through the platform. Best practices. 1. Look for programs that align with your niche and audience. 2. Research the reputation of the affiliate program and its partners. 3. Check the commission rates and payment terms offered by the program. 4. Review the promotional materials and resources provided by the program. 5. Consider reaching out to other affiliates or industry experts for recommendations. Choosing the right products. Choosing the right products to promote as an affiliate is crucial to your success. You want to find products that are relevant to your audience and that they will be interested in purchasing. To do this, start by researching your target audience and understanding their needs and interests. Look for products that align with these interests and that offer value to your audience. Additionally, consider the commission rate and payout structure of each product to ensure that it's worth your time and effort to promote. Creating content. When creating content to promote your affiliate products, it's important to keep your audience in mind. Think about what they want and need, and how your product can help them. One effective way to do this is by writing product reviews that highlight the benefits and features of the product. Be honest and transparent in your review, and include both positive and negative aspects of the product. Another great way to promote your affiliate products is by creating blog posts and social media updates that provide value to your audience. For example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you could write blog posts about healthy eating habits or share recipes on social media. By providing useful information, you'll build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood that they'll click on your affiliate links. Promoting your content. Promoting your content is crucial to driving traffic to your affiliate links. One of the best ways to promote your content is through social media. Use platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to share your content with your followers. Be sure to use relevant hashtags and engage with your audience to increase your reach. Another effective way to promote your content is through email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and send them regular updates about your content. Make sure your emails are informative and valuable to your subscribers, so they keep coming back for more. Tracking your results. Tracking your affiliate marketing results is crucial to measuring your success and identifying areas for improvement. By using analytics tools, you can monitor your traffic, clicks, and conversions to see what's working and what's not. Google Analytics is a popular tool for tracking website traffic and can provide valuable insights into your audience demographics, behavior, and acquisition channels. You can also use affiliate network reporting tools to track your clicks and conversions and see which products are performing the best. Scaling up. Scaling up your affiliate marketing efforts requires a combination of creativity and hard work. One way to expand your audience is by collaborating with other bloggers or influencers in your niche. This can help you reach new audiences and build relationships with potential customers. Another way to scale up is by creating more content. This can include blog posts, videos, social media updates, and more. The key is to provide value to your audience and promote your affiliate products in a natural, non-salesy way. Conclusion. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a powerful way to make money online without spending any money up front. By finding reputable affiliate programs, choosing the right products to promote, creating compelling content, and promoting that content effectively, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember to track your results and measure your success so you can continue to improve your efforts over time.
Thank you so much for watching. It truly means the world to me that you've taken the time to tune in and hear what I have to say. Without your support, I wouldn't be able to do what I love every day, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. That way, you'll never miss an update from me, and we can continue this conversation together. I have some exciting projects coming up that I can't wait to share with you. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications so you don't miss any of our future content. We have some exciting projects in the works that we can't wait to share with you. From in-depth tutorials to behind-the-scenes looks at our creative process, there's something for everyone coming up. So stay tuned and keep an eye out for our next video.